Hey guys, are you all are fed up of eating the normal khichdi? So today let's make masala khichdi, which is not only tastes so good but has lots and lots of health benefits. It helps in weight loss and curing the constipation. So without any delay, we'll start the process. For this, you have to soak 1 cup of rice and 1/4 cup of moong dal for 1 hour. Now heat a pressure cooker. Add oil. Once the oil is heated, you have to add cumin seeds, fennel seeds, some cloves and cinnamon. If you have bay leaf, cardamom, you can even add it. Now I am going to add chopped green chilies and onions. Mix everything and cook until the onions becomes transparent. Here I have added very little salt so that our onions will get cooked soon. Now I am adding ginger and garlic paste. This is homemade ginger garlic paste. You can check this recipe in my channel. Now fry until the raw smell goes off. Now add chopped vegetables. Here I added beans and carrot. You can add any vegetable of your choice. That is beetroot, aloo, cabbage, even gobi also you can add. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes on medium flame. Now I am going to add 2 medium sized tomatoes and some mint leaves. If you are taking small tomatoes, you have to add 3 tomatoes. Here I have added medium size 2 tomatoes. Mix everything and cook until the tomatoes becomes mushy. So at this stage I am adding some turmeric, chili powder, coriander powder, spices you can add according to your taste, some dhania powder. If you have garam masala you can even add it, but I don't want to add because already I have added cumin seeds, fennel seeds, cinnamon, cloves, so that's why I'm not adding. Now add the soaked rice and moong dal. Now you have to cook this rice on high flame for 1 minute without adding any water. So this is the secret tip in restaurants to make delicious masala khichdi. Now after 1 minute, add the water according to your requirement. If you want the khichdi to be too mushy, you have to add more water. If you want it like a pulao or normal rice, you have to add the water accordingly. It depends on the rice you are using. Now I have added 2 tablespoons of ghee, which enhances the khichdi taste. Now cook for 4 to 5 whistles. Here you can see our delicious khichdi is ready. If you like the video, don't forget to click on like button. Thank you. Thanks for watching.